think it's gone. You think it's hidden. But nothing ever disappears. Every click, every word leaves a trace. Typing hate in the still of the night, borrowed names behind a faceless mask, throwing words like they don't bleed, but scars get hashed in the data you seed. Mask so clean, but your shadow's exposed. Every post, a script you wrote. You hit delete, purge the cache, but shadows persist in the server's hash. Invisible threads pulling tight, encrypted trails still hold your secrets. You hide behind the screen, unseen, but you're not as hidden as you believe. Every message, every crime leaves a mark in recorded time. Digital footprints never fade. Every step you take is safe. You think no one's watching you, but your future parses it too. Cyber eyes always on. You were locked all along. IP logs, yeah, they remember. Metadata cold as December. Timestamps locked, no escape. Packet trails map every state. Cookies stored, behavior trained. Algorithms learn your pattern chain. You can run, but you can't erase. A byte remains forever traced. Dark web whispers, proxy trades. Spoofed identities you fabricate. Digital forensics rise, reconstructing all your lies. Every line you cast in space compiles into your hidden trace. You hide behind the screen, unseen, but now the system knows your name. Every message, every crime leaves a mark across all time. Digital footprint never fade, even after you've changed your name. You thought no one would ever know, but the data starts to show. Cyber eyes, no disguise. Traces written in your bytes. Be careful before you comment. Think twice before you send. Don't be careless with your words, because the trace never ends. Respect the space you're in, or face the trace within. One moment of anger, archived in systems. One line you type can rewrite your name. Every message, every cry echoes through distributed time. Digital footprints never fade. Even when you try to change, you can't run, but you can't hide. It's embedded deep inside. Shut the world, no escape. You define the trace you make. Think before you type, because someone, some way is always reading.